Okay, today I will do a lab number 2 for MEM 360, which is milling. So I will show how I do the lab sheet, how I would fill the lab sheet. So the number 3 here, there will be a rough mill. Here is be a rough mill. Wait. For a rectangular pocket, rectangular pocket inside, and the cutting tool will be same as above, which is mu and mill. So the description also is same as above, 20s20. The number of viscid fluids is 3. The size is 20, also same as above. In the left and 30. So for the cutter material, we'll use carbide, which is the proper material. The cutting speed is 274, and the end mill diameter is 20. The machine max 6000. Cutting edge is 3. Yeah, it's 3. Spindle speed is 4360, and the cheat load is 0.16. So after use the calculator online that we asked to use, so the feed rate will be 2093. Right, and for the estimated time, which is we use the this 100, and the feed rate is 2093, which after we calculate we can get the estimated time, which is 0.48. So the drawing will be like this. So first draw the, I think I will draw the first cutting tool first, which is, I assume it's not very quite accurate for the drawing, but I will try my best. And should be like that. Yes. And that's how I do the need. Then I will fill up the rest off camera. Yes, thank you.